Unboxing time. Ta-da! We got a big knife for this unboxing video. We are going to cut this box open here. And I ordered this like a few days ago from rockauto.com. Okay. Remember not to cut so deep, because you might damage the product inside. Almost cut off Grampy's fingers here. There we go. We got 2 boxes to unbox.
Oh, gracious.
Alright.
Like Christmas.
There we go. This one's probably been opened by customs, I'm assuming. I ordered this for my Mazda. Here we go. That's the rear torque engine transmission mount thingamabob. And this big box here is a starter. It's heavy. Heavy. Okay. Oh, it's been cut before. Oh, brand new starter, people. Brand new starter comes with the starter installation instructions. And it's been tested too. Look at that. How about that? Gives you all the test specs and everything. Dun, 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 dun. So I guess it works. Everything's good. And here she be.
Heavy.
Very heavy. Very shiny.
Ooh. Ooh.
Brand new. Wow. Look at that. Ooh. Nice and shiny. She comes right back, right easy. Look at that, eh? Anyways, that's the unboxing video from a starter from rockauto.com, I guess. Oh, excuse me. And that's the other piece there. So, I guess I'll have to make another video, eh? Yeah. Anyways, unboxing video of a brand new starter, people, made by a TYC starter, brand new, inside out. And a engine torque bushing, I guess. Okay, that's it. I have to make a video on how to install this starter, I guess.
Anchor replacement parts.
Alright, thumbs up.